week 7, you'll need to read Chapter 11 and complete the worksheets. Step 1 through 11 have to be submitted by this Sunday. You'll also have the practice test to complete by this coming Friday. In Chapter 11, we'll explore controlling for a third variable with nominal and ordinal variables. The control variable can either be an intervening variable, meaning that it occurs before the variables, or an antecedent variable occurring before the variables. But we won't know which it is until after we have concluded the test. The basic procedure for holding constant a third variable is outlined on page 214. The first step is the crosstab between the dependent and independent variable, because you'll compare the crosstab with the crosstab for each category of the control variable. In microcase, you're going to insert your control variable in the box entitled Optional below the row and column variables. There are 2 ways of analyzing the results for your different tables to determine if the control variable has an effect on the relationship between the dependent and independent. The first way is to compare the percentages in the row for the different tables. If the results of one table is substantially different, then we can say the control variable has an effect. The other way is to compare the measure of association for each table. Similarly, we are looking for a substantial difference. If the strength of the relationship for one of the categories of the control variable is at least plus or minus 0.1 from the original measure of association between the variables, then we can say the control variable has an effect. Finally, we need to be aware of the too few cases problem, which may present a significance problem. If there are too few cases, microcase will warn us of such a problem by indicating a potential significance problem alert.